Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
So with utmost respect to my Lord's court. Last time, my Lords, I indicated the very submissions of Band Attorney, A.K. Venugopal sir, economic criteria, admission to private unaided colleges, and the extremely important point is exclusion.
Mr. Shinde moves the election commission. In what capacity does he move the election
Yeah,
commission?
put him out of the party. He has already given up membership of the party under the 10th schedule because
No,
he's qualified.
when he moves, does he move in his capacity as an elected member of the legislature,
Yes.
or does he move in his capacity as a member of the party?
No, as a member of the legislature, he says that I am the party. This is the whole question, brothers. How will your lordship decide regarding the election matter, brothers, in the context of his moving the election commission and declare himself? You will have to first decide his status. That status will be
Mr. Simple, he can move only as a member of the party.
No.
He has to be.
Please understand, brothers, sadically, what your lordships have held is, brothers, there are several layers. It has to be counted as to who is the party. And if he is disqualified as a member of the legislature, how will that layer be counted by the election commission?